Jeez, the ocean just looks pissed off. Are you sure that's an island out there, or are those ones just mangroves?
Caution, slippery with wet. Look at the water just coming up further and further.
Look at this guy's house.
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
That guy's doomed.
That guy's getting a beat in there. Look at his DirecTV thing where it's sitting. Everything's going to get washed away.
Yeah, like he's watching like Survivor. It's like, hey, where's my Survivor? Hey, Dad, go swimming. God, the wind sounds like something out of a horror movie. It's like, woo. What's that red flag out there for?
The channel where boats go.
Channel marker.
Turn that way so I can get a picture of that guy's house right there.
Whoa, are those satellite towers over there?
I'll just go like that. Round, so I can get
Dad, are those satellite towers over there? Those cell phone towers?
Oh, those poles?
Yeah.
No, that's electrical lines going out to those islands.
Why are they going out to the islands?
I wanted you to go out like that. So I was aimed right at that guy's area where it's all the water's coming in. Not back up and turn.
Well,
now I can't see nothing.
I didn't want to go through all that because I don't know what that is.
Looks like mud.
It's the ground.
Don't back up, I don't want to die.
Jeez, you're not good to take on picture taking expeditions.
Why are there electricity towers going to those islands?
Electricity too.
They should just get solar power.
Oh, it's a picture of the palm trees.
Catastrophe's gonna strike. Oh, Dad, look at the stop sign.
Yep. Yep, look at the stop sign.
Whoa, there's like a really dark cloud over us. There's like a really,
Probably
really
get
dark
40,
cloud over
45
us.
mile-an-hour winds. If it's enough to blow the stop sign out.
There's like a really dark cloud over us right now. That's what my camera's doing. Are you getting out of the car?
No, just get the right and get a decent picture.
How to say? Commit
Get
suicide.
out of the car before the day's through.
Because, Dad, my camera shows like a really dark cloud over us.
A photographer goes the distance, okay? All right, drive down that way and and there's another area on that side. Although this side's probably got the more, gonna feel it. Whoa. Take a picture
Is
of,
it wet?
huh?
Is it wet?
No, it stopped.
Oh, the rain stopped? I'm going out too. I want to see this.
Whoa.
Mine had no problem opening the door. Oh, jeez! Ah! Mom! Dad, we need to get out of here.
Second.
We're gonna die. Well, at least the wind's not strong enough to blow a human away.
Second.
Guess some other people are coming to see the sightseeing. I'm not taking a picture of you. I guess these people were stopping to see what we were doing. God, this one's strong. Look at the ocean. Yeah, look at my pants. God, this feels like a tornado's gonna like come out of nowhere. So you hear the winds like, I can't even walk.
That's it for a 40-mile-an-hour wind. You want a picture for your friends?
No, this video video's enough. I'm posting on YouTube then linking it. Hey, look, some ocean. Hey, no. Don't you dare get a picture of me. Look at the ocean right by our door. Slippery when wet, Mom. Just go walk on that, see if you fall. Oh, the wind stopped. Wind's slowing down. Oh, it was.
Wow.
Look at the boats. Ah, I just stood in the water. At least my feet's getting some air. It's just to the wind. No! The king of the world! Whoa! Oh my god! I think I need to step back. Looks like I'm gonna pull my pants off. What? I didn't see a puddle. This wind doesn't seem strong enough to blow a person. It wants me to pull me over to it. I'm trying to walk forward. It's like impossible. Yay, kiddie pool. Oh yeah. Told you it's Survivor Island. They just edit all this out. Oh, look at Daddy over there. Jump in, Dad! No. It's water. What else? Oh, jeez! Oh, God! Oh, jeez! I don't want to get... Oh, my God! Look at the water coming toward us! Jeez! I'm getting blown away! Continent! Yeah, probably watch came from another continent.
Wasn't expecting that big.
Dad got shower. Oh, jeez, this is awesome.
Look.
Look at the water just coming at us. This wind feels good. It doesn't seem strong enough to pull my headphones off me.
Rain.
How do you know?
Yep.
Can this thing take a few drops on it?
Yeah, if it drops, no big deal.
And if I like throw it in there, it's like
Yeah, once water gets inside, here it comes.
ah, let's get out of here! Freaking tornado's going up the ah! A tornado's gonna form.
Onto the door.
Mine had no effect.